I call upon you to spearhead the campaign of saying Matabeleland South is open for business. You need to consciously sell Matabeleland South to the world and to our potential investors. Let us take heed of the advice from the President. I quote, let us shift from being about politics. The new political dimension, the new dispensation is about economies for the betterment of the people of Zimbabwe.
It's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful place. And, you know, those persons who have gone out into the diaspora, who have made some monies out there and who can now bring those monies and the experience and the networks that they established outside of the country, those persons who can come back to this country from the diaspora, there are huge opportunities here. Huge opportunities. As Mr. Nyabadza said, under the previous administration, there was too much emphasis on politics and not enough emphasis on the economy.